Okay guys, here we are again. The last video of my rabid making and uploading of videos on the Jim Elliott YouTube channel. This next thing is something that I've been buying for years. I've bought a lot of these over the years, and I'm going to show you. There's no bullshit here, as you know. When I tell you something, it's from the heart. I don't lie to you. I'm not in this for money. I'm in this to tell you the truth. Okay. So let's open this up and I'll get into what I want to get into. I see they still have the drawstring bags for these things. Let's have a look at that first of all. Cowather. Kind of a velvety drawstring bag. Pull this out. And there we go. Okay. What this is a belt. Okay. Let's just take this off here. Take off all the plastic. Okay, so took off the plastic. There's a little more on the buckle still too. We'll take that off as well. There we go. And then of course this little Cowather bit of information here tells you leather grade AAA. Even has their address in China. Surprise, surprise, this thing's from China, right? So we'll open this up here. It doesn't work very well. We'll just cut it here. There we go. We'll cut it off instead. And then I'll show you this. So this belt, here's the buckle. Okay. Where are the holes, you're probably asking, right? Where are these holes in this belt? If this is a belt, it has no holes. Well, that's the whole thing, right? See this buckle here. This is an automatic belt buckle. But if you look at the belt here, you can see there's a kind of a track system here. Okay, and you just put the belt on, and then you feed it through the opening in the head here, and you just listen to this now. Listen to this sound. And you can hear that, and it locks it in place. And you tighten it up as much as you want, and then when you want to take the belt off, you just press this button here and pull out, and it's out. Okay, now Cowather claims, and this is where I'm going to get into the truth here. Cowather claims that their belts are made out of just one piece of, one solid piece of leather. That's not true. What they actually use, they use two pieces of leather glued together. And I can show you a demonstration of that too. Here's one of my old Cowather belts, and have a look at it here. Look at this. It's pretty well screwed here, but you can see, look at that. See, it's just two pieces glued together, and this belt still works, but it's clearly two pieces of leather. So when they try to tell you on AliExpress or whatever, oh yeah, it's one solid piece of leather, it isn't. But yes, I've been buying these belts for years, and not just Cowather brand. I've had a few Cowather belts, but other brands, and they're just better. You don't have to worry about holes. You don't have to worry about the belt, maybe the hole, becoming, or you getting a belt, I guess, and the holes are, there's not enough holes, you have to add an extra hole or something. No, with this belt, I mean, it is a sized belt. I mean, I think this was 120 or 125 centimeters. I can't remember. And eventually this buckle, it may come off, and it may fall off. So if that's the case, you just take this little door here and you just pry that down, and it's easy to do. I won't do it here, I'll keep it on, but you just pry it open with your finger, And let's say you want to adjust the size of the belt too, then all you would do is you would cut this part of the belt that feeds into the buckle, and then you can um, have a smaller belt as well. If you happen to buy one and you bought the wrong size and it's a little bit too long for you, there's a little bit too much belt overhang when you have it on, then you can just cut a little bit of the belt and then reattach this head, and you're away to the races, as the losers would say. So there you go. Yeah, it's a good belt. Again, though, it's not a solid piece of leather as they like to claim, but they are good belts. I like these automatic belts. In fact, it probably should say on the belt itself how long it is. Let's see if it does. It may not, but again, I think it was. Oh, it does. It is 120 centimeters or 48 inches. So there you go. Okay, so there you go again, guys. Remember, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as I've said, there's going to be way more videos coming up for all things, appliances, little things, everything. So anything I buy, uh, I'll review. Okay. So thank you again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.